Have you ever wondered how you can earn money online? A dream of many, but a reality for few. Welcome to the world of online earning, a landscape filled with opportunities where the traditional 9-to-5 grind takes a backseat. From freelance services to online teaching, e-commerce to blogging, the digital world offers a plethora of avenues to generate income. But amid the sea of opportunities, one method has been gaining traction recently, showing promise and potential: earning through GPT or get paid to chats. Imagine this: earning money by simply interacting with an AI chatbot. Exciting, isn't it? It's a unique blend of technology and communication, a fine example of how the digital world is constantly evolving, offering innovative ways to earn. In today's digital era, one such method that stands out from the crowd is earning through GPT Chats. So, what exactly are GPT Chats, you might ask? Well, GPT stands for Get Paid To. It's a term used to describe online platforms that reward users for completing various tasks. These tasks can be as simple as taking surveys, watching videos, or even chatting. GPT Chats in particular are a subset of these platforms where the focus is on conversation. They utilize AI technology to generate interactive and engaging chats. Users participate in these chats, help train the AI, and in return, they earn rewards. It's kind of like getting paid to have a conversation with a friend, except this friend is an AI. The beauty of GPT Chats is that they provide a flexible, convenient, and fun way to earn some extra cash. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can jump into a chat anytime, anywhere. Now that you have an idea of what GPT Chats are, let's delve into how you can use them to earn money. Making money through GPT Chats is a straightforward process. Let's break it down into easy-to-follow steps. First and foremost, you need to establish your presence on a GPT chat platform. This starts with creating an account. Look for reputable GPT chat sites that have positive user reviews and a history of reliable payouts. Once you've chosen a platform, register by providing the necessary details. Some sites may require an email verification, so ensure you have access to the email address you use. Now that you have an account set up, your next step is selecting tasks. GPT or Get Paid To sites often offer a variety of tasks to choose from. These can range from participating in surveys, testing new apps, or simply engaging in chatbot conversations. Each task will have an associated reward, usually in the form of points. It's important to understand the platform's point system as it will determine your earnings. Here's a pro tip: start with tasks that align with your interests or skills. This makes the work more enjoyable and could potentially increase your efficiency. For instance, if you have a knack for providing feedback, you might find app testing tasks particularly appealing. Once you've chosen your tasks, it's time to get to work. Remember, accuracy and attention to detail are key. Whether you're interacting with a chatbot or answering a survey, your input provides valuable data for businesses and researchers. The quality of your work directly impacts your earnings. As you complete tasks, you'll accumulate points in your account. These points represent your earnings. It's essential to regularly check your points balance to keep track of your progress. The final step in the process is arguably the most exciting: cashing out your earnings. Each GPT site has its own minimum threshold for payouts. Once you reach this minimum, you can request a payout. Some sites offer multiple payout options, including direct bank transfers, PayPal, or gift cards. Choose the option that suits you best, and look forward to your well-earned reward. And voila! You have earned your first online income through GPT Chats. It's as simple as that. Remember, the key to success with GPT Chats is consistency. The more tasks you complete, the more you earn. But don't just take our word for it, try it out for yourself and watch as your online income grows. While the process is simple, there are ways to maximize your earnings on GPT Chats. One of the most effective ways to boost your earning potential is by choosing the higher-paying tasks. Although these tasks might demand a bit more time and effort, the payout is usually worth it. You might find yourself doing more complex tasks, like participating in longer dialogues or taking on more intricate scenarios, but the financial reward can make it a worthwhile investment. Another excellent strategy to enhance your income is through referrals. Many GPT chat platforms offer referral programs where you can earn a commission for every new user you bring to the platform. So, if you have friends or family who might be interested in earning a little extra income online, why not invite them to join you? Not only do you help them find a new income stream, but you also reap the benefits of their participation. Don't underestimate the power of bonuses. Some platforms offer daily or weekly bonuses for consistent activity. Make sure you're logging in regularly, and completing tasks consistently to take advantage of these extra earning opportunities. These bonuses might seem small, but over time, they can add up to a significant amount. Participating in site-wide contests is another great way to maximize your earnings. These contests often reward top performers with additional earnings or exclusive benefits. It can be a fun and competitive way to increase your income while honing your skills. A pro tip: always strive for quality. GPT chat platforms often reward high-quality work with better pay rates. So focus on delivering the best work you can, and you'll likely see an increase in your earnings over time. Lastly, never stop learning. The world of GPT chats is ever-evolving, with new opportunities cropping up regularly. Staying informed and up-to-date can help you identify new ways to earn more. Remember, every penny counts when it comes to online earning. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be on your way to maximizing your earnings on GPT chats. Like any other online earning method, GPT chats also come with their own set of challenges. Just as a sunflower leans towards the light, we too must lean towards knowledge and understanding to avoid the thorns of pitfalls in our path. The first pitfall we might stumble upon is the presence of scam sites. These are the wolves in sheep's clothing, promising riches but delivering only disappointment. They may ask for upfront payment or simply vanish into thin air after you've completed tasks. The best way to sidestep this pitfall is by doing your homework. Research each site thoroughly before signing up. Look for reviews, check their credibility, ensure they have a secure payment method. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The second pitfall is getting stuck on low-paying tasks. It's like being lost in a maze, running in circles, exerting effort but not making much progress. To avoid this, focus on higher-paying tasks. It might be tempting to pick up every task that comes your way, but remember, time is money. Prioritize tasks that pay more for your time and effort. Another common pitfall is neglecting to read the terms and conditions. These are not just boring legal mumbo-jumbo, they are the rules of the game, and knowing them can save you from unpleasant surprises down the line. So, make it a habit to read and understand the terms and conditions before you start any task. Lastly, don't let impatience be your downfall. Earning from GPT chats is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and consistency. Don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Keep at it. Learn from your mistakes, and success will follow. Knowledge is power. Being aware of these pitfalls can help you navigate the world of GPT chats more effectively. Steer clear of these pitfalls and you'll find that the path to earning from GPT chats becomes much smoother. Earning money online through GPT chats can be a fruitful endeavor. As we've navigated through this journey together, we've covered everything from understanding what GPT chats are, to the step-by-step process of earning from them. We've delved into the depths of maximizing your earnings, and even touched upon potential pitfalls and how to sidestep them. GPT chats offer a unique opportunity to earn money online from the comfort of your home or anywhere you fancy. It's a flexible, accessible, and interesting way to bring in some extra income. So, why not give it a go? Try your hand at GPT chats, apply the tips we've discussed, stay consistent, and approach it with dedication. It's an adventure waiting to happen. A journey that could potentially transform your financial landscape. Remember, with consistency and dedication, earning money through GPT chats can become a reality. Give it a shot, and you might just be surprised by the results.